When I first met Smita, I didn't quite know her. But after meeting her for a couple of times, I knew exactly that she is the most perfect partner for my brother. Her smile, her humble behavior, her homely nature, and of course, her master chef cooking skills must have definitely impressed Trivesh. Right, Trivesh? So, Smita, welcome to a big, fat, crazy family. And you are one of us now.
It was 1993 जेव्हा असगावकरच्या घरी 3 हसीन सितारे पैदा झाले. Dada, myself and Nehal are born in the same year and therefore we grew together. We were so lucky to have been brought up under the blessings of a beloved Ai. We truly miss her today and I'm sure she would have been the most happiest person here. I still don't remember a day where she has made any differentiation between all of us. And I guess that is the most important reason we share such a good bond together.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Pooja. स्मिताले हांव फ्रेंड आनी आयज केन्ना दीस येयलो कांयच कळून येवना कितें आयज लग्न जावपाचें जालें म्हणून. बेस्ट ब्युटी स्मिताची म्हणटा ते फॅमिली जोडून धरून सामकें कशें तेंचे वांगडा बिहेव करप कशें तें सगळें तेज्या कडेन आसा. संस्कार तेज्या घरांतल्यान ताका मेळिल्ले आसा आनीक तेजी फॅमिली सामकी लवींग कॅरींग तशेंच आमचें स्मिता लवींग आनी कॅरींग आसा. फॅमिली सगळी बेस्ट मेळ्ळा. ताका केन्नाच कसली गरज आसपा इतल्या 100% शुअर आसा. त्रिवेश, यू गॉट द बेस्ट वन. प्लीज इमोशनली ते सामके वीक, ताका केन्ना हर्ट करनाका एकूच सांगपाक सोदता तुका. हांव जाणा तूं करपाना, फॅमिली केन्ना करपाना. सो स्मिता अँड त्रिवेश, आय विश यू ऑल द व्हेरी बेस्ट फॉर युअर फ्युचर.
Tell you something about Trivesh. Trivesh is a kind of a person who's very humble, down to earth. आजही त्रिवेशला 5 स्टार हॉटेलच्या जेवणापेक्षा त्या मडगावच्या गाड्यावरचा रस ऑमलेट जास्त आवडतो. ते इब्राहिमपूरला कुठे ते फिश कढी मिळते, तो त्याच्यासाठी इकडून गाडी घेऊन मडगाववरनं ट्रॅव्हल करून जातो. व्हेरी रिलायबल, व्हेरी फ्रेंडली, व्हेरी वॉर्म हार्टेड पर्सन ही इज. He meets somebody like Smita, who always has a smile on face, who's very friendly, who is very adjusting. They make a beautiful and amazing pair together. And this combination is topped on with amazing in-laws like Papa and Mummy. Smita, we are very lucky to have in-laws like Mummy, Papa and the entire Asgaonkar family.
आनंद भारी येला गायत्री बांधी येला सावर
Dada, in those years, was naughty yet very shy. And by the way, we know all your mischiefs, Dada. All those matters he would not like to share with Kaka and Kaku, he would definitely share with us. As kids, and even today, all of us have sheltered and protected each one of us at times where our parents would have definitely given us some scoldings. Dada, we must say, all your sisters are your Florence Nightingales, and you remember one thing, though you have made Lady Smita, don't ever forget us.
Okay, last but not the least, as true loving sisters, we wholeheartedly wish you a very happy and prosperous future.
So आमचे आसगावकरांचे राजे is blessed with a very, very big heart. He is very kind-hearted and trust me, he doesn't hesitate to show how much he cares for everyone.
सपना है सच है की जादू
आणि जरी तू तुझ्या घरी जाणार असशील आपल्याला सोडून, खरं तर सोडून नाही, ती तुझी नवी दुनिया असणार आहे. तू तुझी नवीन फॅमिली स्टार्ट करणार आहेस.
लगता है था लिखा तू है मेरे लिए और मुझे भी तेरा होना ही
लोक म्हणायची तुम्ही टॉम अँड जेरी सारखे भांडता ना, तेव्हा आम्ही हसून म्हणायचो टॉम आणि जेरी आमच्यासारखे भांडतात. तसेच तर आम्ही आमचं प्रेम व्यक्त करतो.
कितने दिन था ये मन तरसा, जीना हर पल था तू भरसा। कल जीवन था सुना सुना, सुख का बादल अब है बरसा।
Trivesh, exactly 5 years ago, you captured my heart by being exactly who you are. The sweetest, most loving, compassionate, and sensitive person I have ever known. You have been my very best friend through the good and the bad.
तुमको पाया जैसे राधा गिरधर पाए।
You have been the reason that I smile, and you have given me comfort behind measures when I have cried. You have believed in me when no one else would, and you have shown me how to love with passion, purity, and unconditional acceptance. I'm not sure a lifetime is long enough to return all you have given to me, but I promise the rest of my days I'll spend by your side. I love you.
कधीही जा, पण तूच राहा, कुठेही जा, बदलू नकोस. आम्हाला तुझा युनिकनेस तोच पाहिजे. आम्ही कोणत्या परिस्थितीत वाढलो हे तुला कधीच विसरू नकोस. आईबाबांनी आपल्यासाठी, आपल्या स्वप्नासाठी जे घाम रक्त एक करून कष्ट केलेत आहेत, तिथे तू आपले संस्कार घेऊन जाणार आहेस. आणि एक शेवटचं सांगतोय, तुम्ही दोघे सोबत ऑसम दिसता. आम्ही मागतो तुम्ही दोघे असेच बरोबर राहा. जीवनात कुठेही प्रसंग आले तरी एकमेकाची साथ कधीच सोडू नका.
इन सांसों पर तेरी जो गम ये धड़कन है.
Today, I give myself to you. I promise to encourage and inspire you, to laugh with you and to comfort you in the times of sorrows and struggle. I promise to love you in the good times and in bad, when life seems easy and when it seems hard, when our love is simple and when it is an effort. I promise to protect and care you and always hold you in the highest regard. This thing I give to you today and all day of our life.
Smita, in some days, now you'll enter our house. You'll see all new faces, new personalities, new cooking styles maybe, and new way of living. So you might feel a little shy, a little awkward. But trust me, you are entering a home with all lovely people around you.
गलियां और चौबारे सारे देखेंगे
We are all ready to welcome you, or rather we have welcomed you already and your family with open arms. From today, your happiness is our responsibility. And I promise to the entire Savan family that we'll take great care of her. As a sister-in-law, I am always there with you whenever you need me.
तेरा डोरी खींची डोरी पलने के तूने मोरी मेरे सपनों को झुलाया सारी रात। भले बगिया तेरी छोड़ी, भले नींदिया तेरी चोरी, बस इतनी सी बात तो रखियो मेरी याद। तेरी लाड़की मैं, तेरी लाड़की मैं, तेरी लाड़की मैं, छोड़ूंगी ना तेरा हाथ।
संगीताचा कार्यक्रम चालू बंद जाऊ ना वोट ऑफ थँक्स म्हणलं अभी तक रात बाकी है एन्जॉय
होने लगा सनसेट भाई तेरा फुल सेट है मोशन भी देखो मेरा बनने लगा देखो तो हसीना को वाना भी करीना को ठुमको का फीवर है चढ़ने लगा थोड़ा हार्ड सा होके थोड़ा जेंटल सा होके थोड़ा सेंटी सा होके थोड़ा मेंटल सा होके सारे 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 That's not true.
And I can guarantee you that if you need anything in life, everyone, right from Papa to Riddhi, I mean from the senior to the junior most person, you can approach anyone and I'm 200% sure that they are definitely there for you. And this entire family, including Atya, Mausha, they have a gala time and you'll have a very amazing life together.
That's not true. Everybody, let's nacho. Nacho. Everybody, let's nacho.
गोव्याचे काजू नागपूरची संत्री, गोव्याचे काजू नागपूरची संत्री, गौरवरावांची मीच मुख्यमंत्री.
अयोध्येत राम लंकेत रावण अयोध्येत राम लंकेत रावण इतरमुळे सोपं झालं माझं जीवन
Sani